Hello everybody, this is Simon at Alistair Capital. First we'll start with reviewing what happened since our last recording. Okay, we made some predictions, we set up some directions. Let's follow up what happened. We spoke about Euro Dollar, Dollar CAD, USD JPY, S&P 500 and Pound USD, and last time we met that was 24th of November. So let's start with Euro USD. I'm sorry, yes, Euro USD. Okay, so on the daily chart on the 24th, right here, we were at the low, and we said that we could catch a nice move into the weekend and possibly continuation. Now see what happens. The low of the 24th was 105.17, and if we were to close on Friday, okay, the first, okay, the high on Friday was 106.67. okay, that's about 170 pips there. And now what happened today? Euro reacted. Let's take a smaller time frame. Euro reacted right away to referendum at night, and then we recover and we at the high. So let's continue, see what happens there. Okay, so there was a nice trading opportunity there for those who took it into actions. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, also very nice trade. We said for dollar CAD to be going down, catching a nice profit down. Take a look what happened on the 24. Okay, the high of 24 was 135.34. okay, and on Friday was a big sell-off. Okay, about 270 pips move and continues. We're hitting a nice support over here. Dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, something that didn't give us a lot of moves. Okay, let's take a look at that. Dollar yen on the 24th was, okay, the high of 24 was 113.52, and what we said actually on dollar yen, we said that there's no sign of reversal yet, but we could still look for some quick profits, and those that took some quick profits into Friday were happy, making between 100 to 200 pips. And as we said, it might continue, and it did continue higher later on. Okay, so this is dollar yen. On S&Ps, okay, S&Ps were nice trade as well. Let's take a look. On S&Ps on the 24th, okay, the S&P went against us, but we said that we were facing a reversal as far as the momentum divergence, and take a look what happened later on and into this week. Okay, it was a nice move, and today actually was a gap down, and then we recovered. Okay, now a great trade was a pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, we said there was a clear divergence. Okay, on the pound dollar was a clear divergence, and we were looking to buy it. Okay, and that's exactly what happened. On the 24th of November, right here, we were at the lows. Okay, and the low of that day was 124, and we went as high as 127.36. That's something that we'll discuss as the level of a first resistance. Beautiful trade. Okay, we'll discuss later on what's happening for the next week. Okay, so out of 5 trades that we had, 4 of them great trades. The other one give us a little bit of a profit. Okay, that's the dollar yen. Okay, this week, okay, let's look into what's happening this week fundamentally, and then we'll look around it. What can we do as far as trades and combine it with technicals? Okay, so we have a very important event, something that shook the world with referendum in Britain and with the Brexit idea, and then we have Supreme Court a Brexit appeal happening this week, and it's on Tuesday, so it's going to be a process Okay, and then we know that that pound is going to be volatile around that process, so we'll be following pound, and let's take a look at it as we're having on the screen. Okay, now we are facing a resistance here on the daily chart, which I would be looking to break. Okay, and that's what we actually said the other day on the 24th. We were looking to break that. Now I want to look at the weekly chart at this point. Okay, the last week high was 127.36. This week high about 7 pips higher. So I want us to close on the daily chart above 127.36, maybe around 127.50 area. That would be looking to buy it and take it at least to this level of a strong resistance for about 100 pips to 128.50 area. Okay, this is a pound, great possibility of a trade here. Okay, another event this week is interest rate decision from Australia, so we want to be looking into Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar here. Okay, we'll take a look at Aussie dollar. What happened? It's been weak the last couple of days. Okay, and the weekly chart. If you take a look at the weekly chart, okay, we're still for third week. We've been trading within the week of the 13th of November. So it's pretty weak here. I would be looking. I wouldn't be looking to any serious trades here unless we break either way. Either we'll break the high, which 0.7580, will break the low 0.7329. Okay, and I'll be looking for the trades. So let's see what the news are, what the interest rate decision is, and then play according to that. Okay, let's take a look what euro is bringing us. Okay, euro is very interesting, like we said today with the overnight results on the Italian referendum. We had a sell-off immediately after the announcement, and then we recover and we're going higher. So it could be possibility of a move high over here on the euro dollar. Okay, we can look at it possibly going to the area of previous strong support around 108, 109 areas. Okay, let's see what happens there. Okay, now another one that's happening this week is interest rate decision from Canada. So USD CAD, which gives us a very nice trade here, is actually sitting on a strong support over here. Let's take a look what the weekly chart is showing us. Similar idea. We're sitting over very strong support on the weekly chart as well. So based on the news, we'll probably take some trades. We could have, if we break this the support level around here, 133, 132.80, we could go and go down another 75 to 80 pips to the next level, which is a series level of support. In this case, we probably around 132.50 area. Okay, so it could be a quick trade of 50 pips on the downside, and let's see what the news are saying. Okay, now another one that I've been watching closely is the oil. For those of you that trade oil, it's been great opportunity there. You know, they say you buy the rumors, you sell the news. So in this case, there's been a lot of talks going on, a lot of analysts since the last event when they actually agreed to cut some production with the OPEC meeting. Oil reacted immediately on the upside, and they're saying on the street that we should see oil in the near future around 60. So we've been, since that statement came to the air, oil has been being very strong. Nevertheless, I'm actually looking for some pullback. I'm not going to chase oil at these levels here. Okay, especially in this case, we have a divergence, my favorite momentum divergence here. The price is going higher, momentum is not supporting it. So I'm actually looking to catch a quick sell over here on the oil and if I miss that, I'll be looking to buy oil on the previous levels of resistance around 151, 150 areas, and if we choose to go lower around 149.50 would be a great buying opportunity on oil. Okay, again, we went over the plan of the previous meeting. We reviewed the results. We made some plans for this week. Let's have a successful week. We'll be with you shortly. Have a successful week and all the best.